Hello friends, in this video we will see another type of the problem in alphabet test, and the problem is like this: which letter is second to the right of fourth from right? Fourth from right. And the second one is another problem: which letter is eighth to the right of 16th from right? 16th from right. So another one, take which letter is 16th to the right of 20th from right? 20th from right. Okay. So which letter is second to the right of fourth from right? So here we see all the questions are in the form of right of, from right, right of and from right, right of and from right, right? So the questions are like this: right of and right from, right? So in the previous video I told, if a b c and so on, x y z are there, if you start counting from a towards to the z, so that is called as from left, and if you are counting from z towards to the a, so that is called as from right, right? So this is telling from right. Okay, this question is from right, so that means we start counting from here, right? So which letter is the second to the right of fourth from the right? So first we have to find the fourth from the right, so that is going to be what? Z, y, x and w, right? So this is the fourth from the right, this is the fourth from the right, right? So now we have to find the second to the right of fourth from the left. So again we have to find the second from the right of this one. Second from the right of this one is what? So this is right side and this is the left side, right? So left side what, right side what we have got? First x and then y, two positions, right? Second to the right of the fourth from the right, fourth from the right is w, and again to second to the right of this w is y. So the answer for this one is y. Okay. Okay. So that means we moved four positions right side. I mean from right. Okay. Four position, and again we moved two positions back. Okay. Again we move two positions this side. That is two. So to find this position, what we do? So we subtract 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So that means this 2 is from right side. That this 2 is from right side. So that means the second letter from the right side. Second letter from the right side is what? Z and Y. So the answer for this one is Y. Okay. And next one is, which letter is 8th to the right of the 16th from the right? So again 16th from the right is, we start from the Z and move in this direction. So this is 16. So now we found here 16th letter. Then again 8th to the right of the 16th. So that means from here this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side, right? So again we have to move right hand side. Why? Because it is said right of 8 to the right of 16th from the right. So this is from the right 16th position. Again we have to go back to the right from here. So the right hand side is this much. So that is what? 8th. Okay, that is what? 8th. So when we subtract this 8 from the 16, what we left with? We left with this one. We left with this one. So that part is how much? 8. So this is 8. If we move to 16 positions from here to here and 8 position from here to here, we left with 8. So that means the answer for the second question is 8th letter from the right hand side. 8th letter from the right hand side. From right. Okay. So whenever we have to find the 8th from the right hand side, we have to subtract that number from 27. 8. So that is going to be 19. Because in the second video I told, whenever we are collecting from right, we have to subtract from the 27. So 27 minus 8 is 19. So 8th to the right of the 16th from the right is what? So 19. So that is going to be 19 means S, that is going to be S. Okay, by using is a OTY rule, so it is going to be S, right? So in the same manner, which letter is 16th to the right of the 20th from the right? Okay, first we have to find the 20th from the right. Let us assume this is the Z. From right, we move 20. From right, we move 20, right? Why? Because 20th from the right we found here. Okay, and then which letter is 16th to the right of 20th? So that means this is the 20th, and the right of this one is going to be in this direction. So that is how many positions? 16 positions, right? So 16 position we moved here, right? So when you subtract 20 minus 16 is how much? Here we left with 4. We left with 4, right? So our answer is what? From right, it is the fourth letter. So from right to find the fourth letter, what we do? We subtract this one 27 minus 4. Okay, so that we get 23. That we get 23. So that means from the left, the 23th letter is what? Our answer. That is from left 23, from right this is the fourth letter, right? So that is our answer. What is 20 is T, U, V, W. So W is 23. So that means which letter is 16 to the right of 20th from the right? So that is W. That is W. Okay. So I hope you got this one. So whenever you see right of from right, simply subtract. Simply subtract. So that value whatever you are getting, here it is 4, here it is 8, and here it is 2. So that is from right position, from the right. So subtract that one from the 27, then you will get from left. So by using easy O2Y rule, you decode that number to the character. You decode that number to the character. So I hope you got this one. So if you have any doubt, please leave a comment. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.